Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever spent hours scrolling through Pinterest, saving dreamy bedrooms with fairy lights, fluffy canopies, cute bows, and princess vibes, then this video is for you. The best part? You don't need a huge budget to create a room that looks straight out of Pinterest. Today I'm sharing 15 DIY room decor ideas that are affordable, beginner-friendly, and will completely transform your room. Let's start creating the Pinterest room of our dreams. DIY Bed Canopy. The first project is this gorgeous bed canopy. A canopy instantly makes any room feel romantic, elegant, and expensive. For this DIY, you'll need sheer curtains, curtain rods or PVC pipes, zip ties, hooks. Simply create a square frame above your bed using PVC pipes or curtain rods. Attach your sheer curtains around the frame. Gather the curtains at the corners using ribbon. The result looks like something straight out of a princess movie. This is probably one of the biggest room transformations you can do for under budget. DIY Decorative Umbrella. Next is one of the cutest decor pieces ever. A decorative umbrella. You'll need a plain umbrella, lace, ribbon, artificial flowers, pearls, glue lace around the edges. Add ribbon bows and small flowers. You can hang it on your wall or place it in a corner for a whimsical cottagecore look. It looks expensive, but costs very little to make. DIY Flower Lamp. This flower lamp is pure magic. For this DIY, you'll need fairy lights, artificial flowers, a paper lantern. Wrap flowers around the lantern. Place fairy lights inside. When turned on, it creates the softest, dreamiest glow. Perfect for nighttime room vibes. DIY Pink Bed Makeover. If your bed doesn't look Pinterest-worthy yet, don't worry. The secret is layering. Add a ruffle bed skirt, pastel bedding, decorative pillows, lace pillowcases. Even changing your bedding can completely transform the room. The room instantly feels softer and more aesthetic. DIY Beaded Curtains. These are making a huge comeback. You'll need clear string, beads, ribbon bows, acrylic hearts. Create multiple strands. Hang them across a doorway or above a window. When sunlight hits them, they sparkle beautifully. DIY Painting Wall Art. Pinterest rooms always have unique artwork. Grab canvas, paint, sponges. Try flower paintings, clouds, abstract art, cherry blossoms. Don't worry about perfection. Handmade art makes your room feel personal. DIY Flower Wall. This project creates a huge visual impact. You'll need paper flowers, artificial flowers, double-sided tape. Arrange flowers behind your bed. You can create a flower heart, a flower arch, a flower corner. This becomes the perfect photo backdrop. DIY Fairy Light Photo Wall. This one never goes out of style. Print favorite photos, Pinterest pictures, K-drama screenshots, inspirational quotes. Attach them to fairy lights. Turn the lights on at night. Instant cozy aesthetic. DIY Ribbon Mirror. A plain mirror can look boring. Let's upgrade it. You'll need satin ribbons, pearls, glue gun. Attach bows around the mirror frame. Add pearls between them. Now every mirror selfie looks 10 times cuter. DIY Cloud Lamp. This project always goes viral. You'll need paper lantern, cotton batting, fairy lights, glue cotton around the lantern. Add fairy lights inside. Hang it from the ceiling. It creates a floating cloud effect. DIY Floating Flower Ceiling. Want your room to feel magical? Hang artificial flowers, butterflies, clear fishing wire. Suspend them from your ceiling. The flowers appear to float in the air. It feels like walking into a fairy garden. DIY Cherry Blossom Branch. Perfect for spring vibes. Find a branch outside. Paint it white if needed. Attach pink paper flowers. Place it inside a vase. It becomes a gorgeous room decoration. DIY Jewelry Display. Turn your jewelry into decor. You'll need old photo frame, lace fabric, hooks. Attach lace inside the frame. Hang your jewelry from it. Now your accessories become wall art.
DIY vintage book stack.
This idea is simple but beautiful. Take old books, wrap them in floral paper, pastel paper, lace fabric, stack them on shelves.
Add flowers or candles on top.
Instant Pinterest shelf styling.
DIY Bow Garland.
Our final DIY is adorable.
You'll need satin ribbon, string. Create multiple bows.
Attach them along a string.
Hang above your bed, desk, or window.
This tiny detail makes a huge difference. Bonus Pinterest tips. Before we finish, here are a few Pinterest room secrets. Use warm lighting instead of harsh white lights. Keep your color palette consistent. Add flowers everywhere.
Use decorative pillows.
Hide clutter using baskets and storage boxes. Add candles or candle lamps. Layer different textures like lace, velvet, cotton, and satin. These small details make a room feel professionally decorated. And those were 15 DIY room decor ideas that can completely transform your room without spending a fortune. Let me know which DIY was your favorite. Personally, I love the canopy bed and flower lamp because they make the room feel like a fairy tale bedroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone!